anyways, so what you do if you want to have a conversation with someone that's a corrective conversation is you sort of take a Piagetian attitude. And the attitude is, go to the highest level of resolution that you can manage. So let's say, and that's what you're doing with the kid. It's like, clean up your room, be a good person. It's like, no, they don't know anything about that, but they do know how to pick up a teddy bear. And then maybe you think, cleaning up your room is 100 things like that. And so you have to teach the child each one of those 100 things. And then they learn, this is the scheme. They learn what's the same across all of those different actions. That's clean, right? Pick up the teddy bear, put away the Legos, make your bed. What? Those have nothing in common, really. Like the motor output's completely different. But they fall under the heading of clean. But unless you fill the heading of clean with all the subordinate categories of the action perception sequences that make up clean, kid can't do it. And so partly what you're doing by attending to your child constantly is noticing where they are in the construction of this hierarchy. And they start way down here, right? And so that's why you play peekaboo, for example. It's like, they can do that. And you can, you interact with them because you can watch, you do a little something, and if they respond, you got some sense that you're at